Here, students dive deep into the world of coding, design, and problem solving, developing skills that open doors to endless possibilities. Explore the fundamental laws of nature, dive into the exciting world of elements and compounds, explore the complexities of life from cells to ecosystems. High school is not just about books, tests, and homework. It's also about discovering who you are, building lifelong friendships, and yes, having some serious fun. Games like basketball and other sports brings out the best of you. Sports offer more than just a way to stay active. They build confidence, leadership, and teamwork skills that go far beyond the